Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Gold Butterfly Scalper Pro EA, an expert advisor available for MT4. I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore the main features and settings, and then discuss the historical testing information and results provided by the developer. Starting with the Marketplace page, Gold Butterfly Scalper Pro is currently priced at 149 US dollars, with rental options available for 1 month and 3 months. 1 month is going for 140 US dollars. 3 months is going for 145 US dollars. Now, this is version 1.2, updated in February 2026. The developer describes it as a trading robot designed specifically for XAUUSD or gold on the M15 time frame. Now, according to the description, the EA combines both trend following and counter trend approaches. The developer also states that it does not use arbitrage, greed, trading, martingale, or similar high risk methods. All right. Every trade is protected with both a stop loss and take profit using a stated 1-to-1 ratio. Now, as I continue down the page, there are several recommendations provided. The preferred symbol is XAUUSD on M15 with historical testing recommended from 2003 to the present. The developer suggests using ECN, STP, or NDD brokers and notes that the minimum recommended deposit is $100. Now, one additional point worth mentioning is that the developer states the EA has undergone stress testing across a 17-year period and is designed to maintain a favorable profit to drawdown relationship. All right, based on those historical tests. Now, the system is also described as FIFO compliant, which may be relevant for traders operating under FIFO regulations. Moving into the features section, the settings offer a good level of flexibility. Users can choose between fixed lot sizing or automatic lot calculation through the auto lot function with adjustable risk parameters. There are also controls for spread limits, trading days, buy and sell permissions, and trading hour restrictions. The EA includes an optional moving average trend filter where users can adjust the time frame, period, and price source. Since trend filtering can influence when trades are allowed, these settings provide additional customization depending on individual preferences. Further down, there are position management tools, including stop loss, take profit, trailing stop functionality, and the ability to close trades after a specified number of bars. There is also a recovery mode available, along with a recovery factor setting. The developer clearly notes that higher recovery values involve higher risk, which is something traders should carefully evaluate before making adjustments. Okay, so now let us move over to the backtesting section. Looking at the historical results that are presented here, okay, this one shows risk one from 3K to $197,000, and I can see here the win rate is about 7.5%. Okay, I think there should be something wrong with this data here, because total trade is telling me 1,671 and profit is telling me 1,011. And why am I having 7.5%? I'm sure that 1,011 is not 7.5% of 1,671. So there seems to be something wrong with this data here, right? And then here I can see that 1,671 profits trades are 1,011, 60.5%. Why are we having different values? Okay, now this makes me doubt this. right? Because I don't know why the values are not consistent. And then here, same 1,671 total trades across both risk one, risk two, and risks, and the fixed lot size, same 1,671. But here, profit trades are 10, 11, 60.5% win rate. Here, 10, 11, 60.5% win rate. Well, pretty consistent. But then here, 10, 11, but 7.5% win rate, which is not accurate. And here, okay, the win rate of the short positions and the long positions seem to be the same. Okay, but whatever the case may be, this is risk 5, 60.5%. Okay, now this is going to make me press my calculator. I just want to be sure if it's actually 60.1%. So we're checking 10, 11 divided by 1671, right? Times 100. Okay, actually 60.5% is the correct figure. I don't know why this one is different. Where is it? I don't know why this one is different. But let's just proceed to our strategy tester, right? Let's just proceed to see how the EA actually performed on our strategy tester. Meanwhile, if you are interested in this EA, I would actually recommend you test it yourself as well. Okay, do not just rely on the information provided by the developer or by the seller. You can actually go test the EA yourself, and then if you get if you get a result that is favorable, fine and good. If you like what you see, you can proceed to get the EA if you're really interested in it. Okay, so now we're testing the gold butterfly scalper pro on XAUUSD as recommended on the M15 time frame over the past 3 months using the every tick model. And here I can see that $10,000 is the initial deposit. Total net profit was 193.44, and total trades taken were 32, out of which 17 were profitable, giving us a 53.12% win rate. Largest profit 161.92, largest loss 168.08, average profit of 149.8, average loss 156.87. Okay, so in this case, the risk to reward ratio is actually bad. I'm just going to turn on the visuals right away also so we can just briefly see the EA in action. So when you look at the historical testing results, it's important to remember that we are reviewing historical analysis rather than future expectations. Okay, backtests help us understand how an EA behaved under past market conditions, but they cannot guarantee future outcomes. The developer recommends testing from 2003 onward using tick by tick modeling, which suggests a focus on obtaining detailed historical data during evaluation. When reviewing the completed historical chart activity, it's important to observe how the EA interacted with different market environments over extended periods. But then, based on the information provided, the system evaluates trend direction, volatility conditions, and its own artificial intelligence algorithm when determining market opportunities. Beyond those descriptions from the developer, it's important not to assume additional entry or exit logic that isn't specifically disclosed. But I'm going to recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right. As for the results, you know, historical testing performance should always be viewed in context. Independent testing can actually help verify consistency across different brokers, data sources, and execution environments. Actual trading outcomes can vary depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution quality, spread, slippage, market conditions, and all of that, right? Any optimization choices made by the user included. Now, overall, the Gold Butterfly Scalper Pro EA is a gold-focused MT4 expert advisor built around a combination of trend following and counter-trend analysis with extensive trade management options and long-term historical testing claims from the developer. As always, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next review.